Hi, my name is Aarnav Gandhi and I'm the business designer at Ecoh.
My name is Saketh Perumbur, and I am the Chief Financial Officer.
Hello, my name is Kanishkh Patalay, and I am the Chief Technology Officer for Ecoh.
Hi, my name is Rushil Kumar, and I am the Chief Managing Officer at Ecoh.
My pleasure to introduce you Ecoh, helping our Earth one building at a time. As the average person becomes more and more aware of the different problems in our beautiful world, we see an increase in the amount we as a society recycle. However, this percentage is still extremely low. For example, in 2015, around 35% of people recycled. However, in 2018, that percent decreased to 30%. This recycling rate is constantly fluctuating because many people believe that recycling is an inconvenience or they don't understand what items are recyclable. Our team was extremely hurt by this problem and wanted to make a change. So we decided to create Ecoh. Ecoh uses AI technology and software we have created to increase the amount being recycled in each household. Furthermore, Ecoh makes recycling extremely convenient and for every household and increases the accuracy of what is being recycled. After calculating the amount of US households and the amount that are financially stable and would participate in recycling, our market opportunity is around 100 million households in the US. As a team, we understood that surveying random people around our community would allow us to establish a better plan and design. From our customer survey, which was 50 random people around our community, we found out that 78% of people were trying to recycle every day. Of this group, 40% believe they recycle correctly. And out of this 50 people group, 92% of people believe that Ecoh could help their daily recycling journey. From this survey, we found out there is definitely a big opportunity for our product. Next, we decided to ask an expert in our field by going to our local recycling center to speak with one of their employees, John. He told us that I've worked at the center for around 5 years, and I believe these recycling centers need a change. The workers try their hardest to separate the trash from recyclable items, and the machines try their best. But to make a change in the world, we need to make a change in every household. Ecoh seems like an amazing solution, and I can't wait to see what happens in the future.
The TAM of our market size totals to be approximately $400 billion. The TAM is calculated to be around $14.8 billion, and finally, our SOM is about $11 billion. These figures have been calculated according to demographics telling the amount of households or office buildings in the world, and households or office buildings that care about their environmental impact and can afford a high-tech trash can like Ecoh's. Now, let's transition to the product. The design of Ecoh's trash can was made with an emphasis on functionality and simplicity. To use the trash can, a user simply places any waste they have in the waste intake area. From there, cameras identify the waste as either recyclable or non-recyclable using various identifiers, such as material identification and symbol identification. Then the flap pivots on the divider in such a way that any waste that drops down will slide into whichever storage it is designated as. Now, let's move on to the price breakdown. Ecoh uses a camera, DC motor, Arduino H-bridge, Arduino Uno R3, and trash can build material. The camera is used to identify the trash by either identifying the material the waste is or scanning for a recycling symbol. The DC motor is used to pivot the flap on the divider to make the waste slide into its designated area. The Arduino H-bridge is used to link the Arduino Uno and DC motor so that the Arduino can control the motor. The Arduino Uno R3 is essentially a programmable computer where electronic components connect to work with each other to sort the trash. There, the camera, DC motor, and H-bridge can all communicate with each other to successfully sort the waste. The last piece of Ecoh's trash can is the build material, which we estimate to be around $35.
Every Ecoh trash can is delivered with a personal instructional manual for its everyday utilization. We will also supply consumers with an online YouTube tutorial showcasing procedures on how to employ our product via QR code attached to the instructional manual. Customer issues regarding the trash can's functionality and features can be situated through our app, which can be discovered on the App Store. Initially, when examining the plastic water bottle, the percentage of how much it is plastic is highlighted. Since it is 86.5% plastic, the water bottle will be deposited in the recyclable side. Furthermore, when certifying the aspects of the Diet Coke, the recyclable symbol is accentuated, implying the Diet Coke is indeed recyclable.
Our business model, we'll be taking a commission of 35% on each Ecoh transaction. 5% of the profits will be donated to reduce pollution caused by landfills. Ecoh's market share is projected to be around 7% of the serviceable obtainable market. Competition. Each trash can is estimated to be $115. While cheaper alternatives exist, none provide the self-recycling service that Ecoh Trash Can does. Moreover, TrashPod, the only trash can comparable to Ecoh's, retails for $2,000. This is exacerbated by the fact TrashPod is designed for a commercial environment. A competitive advantage that can be perceived from Ecoh is our affordable pricing for all households. Material and symbol identification present in our modern trash cans make recycling easy. The last recognizable advantage our trash can offers is how one's carbon footprint can be recorded with the implementation of an app you can download.